And the next thing I do is take a little bit of green. This is a plunger cutter and it makes 3 little holly sprigs. So you can find something like that online or at your local cake shop. Usually online though. And I'll show you an alternative in just a second if you can't find that. So you just take this, push down, and get a nice clean cut there. And then you push down on it and it veins it for you. Take a little bit of water. I'll just put it up here on his hat. Place that right on. I need a little more water. It doesn't seem to stick there. Has a little too much cornstarch on the back, I guess. Okay, and then I'll just take the red royal icing and make 3 little berries here. Okay. All right, now if you didn't have this little holly cutter, you could just take, this is just green royal icing with a tip 352. And all you have to do is just squeeze and pull one out this way. Squeeze and pull a leaf this way, and then one at the top, just like that. And then take your royal icing and just squeeze 3. Okay? So you would just do that right there on the hat as an alternative. Just clean this little area here. And the next thing I want to do we're actually going to stand it up before we put our scarf on. He's going to have a little red scarf also. But what I want to do is just bring it over here. And snowmen usually, you know, with snow, you could actually add a little bit of a blue coloring to them. This is called Sapphire Blue Luster Dust. And I just like to take a little of this coloring and just kind of go around the edge. Because he's also going to be on a snow base, so this will just kind of help him stand out just a little bit more. A little bit up here also. And we'll go ahead and dust the back one. And on this one, you could do this part before you write on it or after, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just going around the edge.